Hello viewers, this is Minati's Education. We are dealing with NET, SET, GATE, JAM, IIT and other competitive examinations. So this class is related to the data interpretation. So if you are the aspirants of the UGC NET or SET for the 2023, please pay a little bit attention to understand the problem. And if you are new to our channel, then you can subscribe to our channel so that whenever we will upload any new videos related to any topic, you will get automatic notifications. So let's come to the topic. See, a table is given over there. So looks wise a very big table. It will be very difficult to understand looks wise, but it is a little bit easy. See, the table below are the data of the candidates who appeared for an interview. Here the I for interview and got admission, A for admission for 5 engineering disciplines during the year 2014 to 2019. See the pictures given over there from 2014 to 2019. Here the chemical engineering is there, civil engineering is there, aerospace is there, petroleum is there and electrical is there. So what is the meaning of I? I means given over there interview, candidates for interview, and A for the admission. Okay. Come to the first question. What is the percentage of the total number of candidates admitted to the total number of candidates interviewed for all the 3 years in chemical engineering discipline? So please look at the chemical engineering discipline. What they are asking, what is the percentage of total number of candidates admitted to the total number of candidates interviewed? So total interviewed, see, I for the interview and A for admission. So just I have to add the figures. 1274 plus 1165 plus 1108, just like this. Just add the figures, you will get 7251. And next, total admitted, that is 1090. See, total admitted plus 1065 plus 1024 plus 1180, just like this you will get the figure 6661. Okay. So what is the required percentage? What they are asking, that the candidates admitted to the total number of candidates interviewed. So admitted 6661 divided by interviewed. Interviewed means 7251, and any percentage always into 100. Okay. So we are getting the figures 91.86%. See option number D, 91.86%, that is option number D will be the answer. Okay. So looks wise a little bit difficult, but whenever you will try to solve it, it is very easy. Come to the next question. What is the percentage increase or decrease in the, that is a typing mistakes, double in the number of candidates admitted in civil engineering discipline from the year 2015 to 2016. Okay, what they are asking, that increase or decrease in the number of candidates admitted in civil engineering. So come to the civil engineering part. Okay, which year? 2015 to 2016. 2015, what is the value? Come to the 2015, 1980. Come to the year 2016, that is 1815. Okay. So what they are asking, what is the difference? First we have to calculate the difference. 1980 minus 1815, we will get 165 as the difference. Okay, so first find out the difference, that is your first job. After that you have to calculate the percentage. How to calculate the percentage? 165 divided by 1980. At the same time, that is a mathematical tricks that you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you are calculating any percentage, the denominator part, you have to always take the base value. Here they are asking from 2015 to 2016. So here the base year, that is the starting year, is the 2015. So in the denominator part, we will take the figure of 2015, not 2016. And any percentage always represented by the 100. So into 100, you will get the figure 8.33%. See, 8.33% is given over there in the option number C. So option number C will be the answer. Okay, come to the next question. What is the average number of candidates who appeared for the interview in the year 2016 for admission to all the 5 engineering disciplines? So the 4 options are given over there: 1216, 1314, 1316, and option number D 1246. So how to calculate? They are telling you the year, that is 2016 in all the engineering. So come to the 2016. See, I am highlighting 2016. See, 1108 plus 1860, only that is the interviewed part, not the admission part. Only the interviewed part, that is the 1108 plus 1860 plus 1132 plus 870, only the interviewed part. All the departments, that is chemicals plus civil plus aerospace plus petroleum plus electrical. Okay, you will get the figure that 6230. So average means, what is the meaning of the average? That is total divided by the number of years. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so we will divide by 5. 6230 divided by 5, we will get the figure 1246. 1246, that is option number D will be the answer. Okay, come to the next problem. What is the difference between the total number of candidates who appeared for an interview over the 6 years in aerospace and electrical engineering discipline? Aerospace and electrical engineering. So aerospace and electrical, that is the last option. Okay, so total number of aerospace, just add it, you will get the figure 7737. Total number in the electrical engineering, just make it total, you will get 7403. So what is the difference? 7737 minus 7403, you will get the figure 334. See, 334, that is option number 334. Option number A will be the answer. Okay, come to the next question. The ratio of number of candidates who appeared in an interview for admission to petroleum engineering discipline in the year 2014. So highlight 2014 and only petroleum engineering discipline, compared to the number of candidates who got admission in electrical engineering discipline in the year 2015. So electrical engineering, you have to take the 2015 figure. Okay, and for the petroleum, you have to take the figure of 2014. Whenever you will do your RAP work, so do the rough work very carefully. So here the figure is the 960, here the figure is 1120. So what is the required ratio? 960 is to 1120, that comes to 6 is to 7. So 6 is to 7 means option number B will be the answer. Okay, so if you have any problem regarding understanding, you can put your opinion in the comment section. My WhatsApp number also has been mentioned in the description part. You can also WhatsApp me. Okay, so thank you for watching.